I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, no.
Thank you.
No worries. Yeah, it seems to be.
Yes, I will do. Oh, yes, please. I can't believe that. Wow. And then, like, it's all the, like, yeah. I got caught by other food. And then it.
That's fine. No issues, so don't worry about it.
Bye.
Bye.
Today I'm trying a healthy vegan cookie recipe I found on YouTube. Believe it or not, I've gained about 10 kilograms since my college days in the US, which was a long time ago to be fair. Back then, I was living away from my family, trying to cook for myself, working part-time, and studying at the same time. I also volunteered at the church on the weekends, so there was barely any time to come home, eat properly, or just relax. Even though my apartment was only 10 minutes from campus, I packed lunch every day just to save those extra minutes and usually stayed at school from morning until night. Most of the time, I was just cooking whatever I could to survive. Our university had a gym, so whenever I had time, I would work out too. I lost both fat and muscle because I didn't eat enough, so I was actually really skinny back then. These days, I know a lot more about fitness. The problem is, I also know way too much about good food. So today, I'm trying to cut back on flour by making cookies with almond flour, dark chocolate, and matcha. Now I just have to stop myself from eating all of them at once.
And attention to detail, skills as well. So you don't need to feel any pressure. And then during these trainings, I'm not sure if I'm understanding what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm doing right or not. That's what I felt during the training. Oh, that's totally fine. Question like, is this or that? Is it correct? Learn the same things,
Yeah.
And if you have any questions, they will calculated the numbers that what you have to do is check how they got the number. Yeah, I think in that case you can just leave the notes there. Yeah.
シネマ2の方で上演になりますので、ご移動だけお願いします。シンフォニートヨタビルっていうところのビルなので、
はい。ここからだと
歩いて5分。
ホットドッグセットで、チーズチリとホットチョコレート1つと、ポップコーンセットスタンダードでキャラメルとコカ・コーラゼロ。That's it? 以上です。2000よ。Seats are taken.
椅子坐着。
2名様ですね。
はい。
上の階です。そのまま進みください。
That's why it was expensive because they give it file. Whoa.
That's hot.
There was no plate.
No.
We are so lucky. This is only one and I
Wow.
here.
Huh?
진짜? 어제 집에서 한참 만지다가 오늘 갖고 와야겠더라고요. 이거를 꼭 자랑하고 싶었어요. 저 한 번만 만질 수
Nice. Looks huge. Huge. Wow. She's by herself. Everything. Everything for her.
So people are hired to just play with kids in there.
Ah, nice.
Bit of a waste of space having those giant pencils up there though, isn't it?
For
Okay.
oh, this is nice. Oh, it's cold. Made in Japan. Best heat.
Best for heat.
Best hit.
Best hit. Oh.
It's so big. Don't look. It's like
So,
no. And expensive, yeah. This is my kind of table and the furniture. Yeah. The lunch set. Nice.
When I was growing up, I thought it was completely normal to have home, food on the table, and a comfortable place to rest.
Yeah, this one is yours, mine.
But now that I'm looking at houses and furniture myself, I'm starting to understand that the warm home my parents created was built through years of hard work, sacrifice, and the money they worked so hard to earn.
It's crazy. And freezer. Ice cream. Ah, I want this one.
Coca-Colas as well.
I didn't grow up in a wealthy family, but I never felt like I was missing anything. Looking at furniture prices now, I appreciate that even more. I understand why my parents always told us to take care of our things and why they repair things instead of replacing them. It was all because they wanted the best for us. So, I guess we better keep working hard.
And if the wall is same color, it looks like everything is. Oh, look at that. Ta-da! Yeah, exactly.
It is just like cinema scenes, that's why.
Oh, that's nice.
Crazy.
Why is this for? The table?
Yeah, it's like maybe a footrest as well.
Oh,
That's just for 2 chairs. It's mental that price.
76.
If you live in Japan, wouldn't you? Unless they work for like government or something.
Nice. That looks nice.
Nice dining table. That's the model.
Yeah.
So what's that, like nearly £1,000?
This is nice.
Yeah, it's much better. And it's cheaper. What? That is. This not so much, but. It's awful. My bum's on like the frame.
Oh,
When you sit like this, my bum on the light. There's a mirror here too.
really?
Yeah, and a light. I think tables and chairs are just expensive. Like, same in England. I think those
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know.
Whoa, that's really heavy.
They're just all the chairs put together.
Ah.
What is it like the Seven Dwarfs and Snow White?
Why so low?
It's so thin. It's ridiculous.
Oh, what?
Look at the colour.
Oh.
And then you feel the wood up here. This is like when I was the villas of Ireland and looking at this and sleeping out.
Yeah.
Beautiful. The blue one's like. They're cool.
Oh, yeah. Like a whiskey.
Yeah. Well, the last one is.
No?
I don't think so.
What is this? It's for kids, isn't it? Study, why are you waiting for food?
What country is this? I'm like,
East Timor.
oh, it's the, that's what I'm trying to see.
이기리스.
Higashi Timor.
Oh, 이기리스 is the first flag in here, well, Europe.
Yeah, why?
I don't know. You should buy this. Study.
If you enjoyed today's vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.